Hi, I'm Callum from the I-CHEQ Cameras Technical Support Team. This guide will provide step-by-step instructions for updating your camera's control software and firmware to our latest releases. This will allow you to access new functions and features as we develop the software further. Start by launching the control software and clicking on the camera icon located in the top left corner to connect to your camera. Any available updates will be displayed in a pop-up notification. Before proceeding, make sure the camera is powered off. If prompted, click yes to initiate the power down process. This will load the update server. After the camera has powered down, turn it back on. The control software will then establish a secure connection with the camera, preventing any other devices from connecting at this time. The update process will now begin, introducing the new functionalities included in the updated software version. Once the camera finishes its update, it will automatically power down in preparation for the next update. After it powers down, close the update server and select the power supply unit update. Please confirm that you will not disconnect power until prompted by the pop-up that appears. Now power the camera back on to apply the PSU firmware update. After the update is complete, disconnect the power lead and remove any batteries. Wait a few seconds, then reconnect the power leads and batteries. Next, initiate the carrier sensor update by acknowledging the prompt and powering the camera on again. The control software will connect to the camera and proceed with the firmware update. And that's it, your camera is now up to date. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to contact us at techsupport@ix-cameras.com. You can also visit our website at www.ix-cameras.com for more technical help and guides on using our cameras. Thanks for watching.